The money mistake most people make. Imagine working hard every month, yet still wondering, where did all my money go? You check your bank account, and it feels like it disappeared overnight. Bills, groceries, a few nights out, and just like that, you're back at zero. But here's the hard truth. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you keep. And the wealthy, they follow a simple yet powerful budgeting formula, one that ensures they always have money to save, invest, and enjoy life. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and if you master it, you'll never be broke again. So let's break it down step by step and make sure you actually use it. Part 1. Why budgets fail, the secret no one tells you. Here's a shocking fact. Most budgets fail before they even start. Why? Because they ignore human psychology. Telling yourself, I'll just spend less, is like saying I'll just eat healthy. It sounds good, but without a system, it never works. Most people budget with willpower alone, but willpower runs out, systems don't. The 50-30-20 rule works because it's automatic. Once you set it up, it guides your spending without thinking. You don't need to track every dollar. Just follow the percentages and let the system take care of the rest. Part 2, the 50% category, needs and the mistakes people make. 50% of your income should go to needs. But what exactly counts as a need? Think rent, food, utilities, transportation, and health insurance. Not Netflix, not gym memberships, not coffee runs. One of the biggest mistakes people make, they convince themselves that wants are needs. Example, you need a car, but do you need a brand new luxury SUV? You need food, but do you need takeout 5 times a week? The rule is simple. If you can survive without it, it's not a need. Cut the fluff, and your budget instantly improves. Part 3, the 30% category, wants how to enjoy without going broke. Now, this is where most budgets fall apart, because this is the fun money. 30% of your income goes to wants. But here's the trick. You need to spend smarter, not just spend less. Impulse spending. That's how people go broke. Planned spending. That's how you enjoy life and stay wealthy. Tip. Instead of random small splurges, save for meaningful experiences. A vacation you actually remember is better than daily Starbucks runs. And if you ever feel guilty spending on wants, remember, budgeting isn't about suffering, it's about balance. Part 4. The 20% category, savings and investments, where wealth is built. This is where your future wealth is created. 20% of your income goes to savings, investments, or debt repayment. If you're drowning in debt, start here. Eliminate high-interest debt before anything else. No debt? Then this money should go to investing, because saving alone won't make you rich. A bank savings account earns less than 1% per year, but investing in stocks, ETFs, or real estate, that's 8 to 10 cents plus annually. The difference? Someone saving $500 per month at 1% interest will have $60,000 in 10 years. Someone investing $500 per month at 8%, over $90,000. If you skip this step, you're working for money. If you follow it, your money starts working for you. Part 5. Customizing the 50-30-20 rule for different incomes. Not everyone's budget is the same. What if you don't earn much or earn a lot? If your income is low, adjust to 60-20-20. 60% for needs, 20% for wants, and 20% for savings. If your income is high, aim for 40-30-30. 40% for needs, 30% for wants, 30% for investments. The key, your percentages can change, but savings must always be a priority. If you're spending 80% on needs, it's time to cut costs and increase income. And if you have extra cash, invest more. Part 6. Final mistakes to avoid and a challenge for you. Most people will watch this and do nothing, and next year they'll still be stuck. The ones who take action, they'll be in complete control of their money, maybe for the first time ever. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, follow the 50-30-20 rule exactly. At the end of the month, tell me in the comments, did you save more? Did you feel more in control? And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button for more game-changing money tips. Because financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a choice. And today, you just took the first step.